Hey there, fellow travelers. Today, we're diving into the tropical paradise that is Warwick Paradise Island, Bahamas. This adults-only, all-inclusive resort is a hidden gem nestled on the south shore of Paradise Island, offering a perfect blend of relaxation and indulgence. So, grab your virtual sunglasses, and let's explore this slice of heaven together. Let's start with the accommodations, shall we? Warwick Paradise Island boasts approximately 250 rooms spread across 12 floors, each designed with modern comfort and island-inspired style in mind. While the exact room categories aren't fully detailed online, we can paint a pretty picture of what to expect. Picture yourself stepping into a spacious, airy room with contemporary decor that screams tropical getaway. The neutral tones are accented with pops of vibrant island colors, creating a soothing yet energizing atmosphere. Now here's where it gets exciting. Most rooms come with private balconies, offering either stunning harbor views or picturesque island vistas. Talk about waking up to paradise every morning. These rooms aren't just pretty faces, though. They're packed with all the amenities you'd expect from a 4-star resort. We're talking air conditioning, because let's face it, sometimes paradise can get a bit toasty. Flat-screen TVs for those lazy evenings in, and Wi-Fi access to keep you connected, or to make your friends back home jealous with your vacation pics. And let's not forget the minibars and snack bars, which are included in your all-inclusive plan. So go ahead, indulge in that midnight snack. You're on vacation, after all. Now I know what you're thinking, but what about the bathrooms? Well, my friends, prepare to be impressed. The bathrooms are clean, modern, and spacious enough to do your post-beach primping in comfort. And while we're on the topic of comfort, let's talk about those beds. They're large, they're plush, and they're just begging you to sleep in. But resist the urge, because there's so much more to explore. One thing to note is that the maximum occupancy is typically 2 adults per room, given the adult-only policy. So if you're planning a group getaway, you might need to book multiple rooms. But hey, that just means more balcony space for sunset cocktails, right? Speaking of cocktails, let's move on to the dining options, because boy, does Warwick Paradise Island have you covered. The resort boasts 5 dining outlets and 2 bars, each offering a unique culinary experience. While the specific restaurant names aren't listed online, they're keeping us in suspense. We do know that they serve up a diverse range of cuisines aimed at satisfying even the most discerning palates. Imagine starting your day with a hearty breakfast overlooking the harbor, then lounging by the pool for a light lunch. As the sun sets, you could be savoring fresh seafood specialties or exploring international dishes that take your taste buds on a world tour. And the best part? It's all included in your stay. Now let's talk about those bars, because what's a Caribbean vacation without a cocktail or 2? First up, we have the Hog Bar. This poolside oasis is the perfect spot to sip on tropical concoctions without ever leaving your lounge chair. Picture yourself basking in the sun, fruity drink in hand, without a care in the world. Sounds like paradise, right? But the fun doesn't stop when the sun goes down. After dinner, head to the Rum Cay Lobby Bar. This evening hotspot is where you can unwind with a nightcap, maybe strike up a conversation with fellow guests, or simply enjoy the ambience. And who knows? You might even catch some live music or a themed night. The resort is known for hosting regular special events to keep things interesting. Now let's dive into the pools and beaches, because let's face it, that's why we're here, right? Warwick Paradise Island features at least 1 main outdoor pool, conveniently located adjacent to the Hog Bar. While we don't have the exact dimensions, we can imagine it's the perfect size for a refreshing dip or a lazy float. And with poolside drink service, you might find yourself spending more time here than you initially planned. But the real star of the show is the beach. Warwick Paradise Island boasts a private white sandy beach right on the harbor side. This tranquil stretch of paradise is perfect for sunbathing, swimming, and simply soaking in the beauty of the Bahamas. It's a bit more secluded than some of the busier public beaches, giving you that exclusive, away-from-it-all feeling. While details on water sports are a bit fuzzy, it's common for resorts in the area to offer activities like snorkeling or kayaking. Even if these aren't provided directly by the hotel, The helpful staff can surely point you in the right direction to get your adrenaline fix. And, of course, beach service includes loungers, towels, and drink service, so you can focus on the important stuff, like working on that tan or finishing that beach read you've been meaning to get to. Now let's talk activities, because Warwick Paradise Island is all about keeping you entertained. While specific details are limited, we can assume the resort offers a fitness center with basic cardio machines and weights. It's perfect for those who want to keep up their workout routine, or work off some of those all-inclusive calories. But the real relaxation happens at the spa. While we don't have the full menu, we know they offer a range of services focused on helping you unwind. Massages, facials, body treatments, you name it, they probably have it. Imagine treating yourself to a beachside massage, the sound of waves in the background, and all your worries melting away. Now that's what I call a vacation. For those who prefer their relaxation with a side of entertainment, the resort offers nightly shows and live music, primarily held around the lobby bar area. It's the perfect way to cap off a day in paradise, with a lively atmosphere and maybe even a dance or two. Now, you might be wondering about kids' activities. Well, here's the thing. Warwick Paradise Island is an adults-only resort, catering to guests 16 and older. So while you won't find kid-specific amenities, what you will find is a peaceful, relaxed atmosphere perfect for couples, friends, or solo travelers looking for a grown-up getaway. Let's take a moment to explore the surrounding area, because Paradise Island has plenty to offer beyond the resort walls. Just a stone's throw away, about 2 kilometers, is the famous Cabbage Beach. This stunning stretch of white sand is perfect for a change of scenery or a leisurely beach walk. For those seeking a bit more action, the Atlantis Paradise Island Resort is just 3 kilometers away. This massive complex boasts a casino, water park, and shopping areas, perfect for a day trip if you're feeling adventurous. And if you're in the mood for some culture, the Versailles Gardens are about 4 kilometers from the resort. These beautiful botanical gardens showcase French-inspired landscaping and offer a serene escape. For shopaholics, Marina Village is also nearby, offering a waterfront shopping and dining district. And if you're up for a slightly longer journey, Nassau's downtown historic district is about 10 kilometers away, where you can explore cultural and historical sites, museums, and craft markets. Now, let's step back and look at the big picture. What makes Warwick Paradise Island stand out? Well, for starters, it's one of the original all-inclusive, adult-only resorts on Paradise Island. It's got history, having been built back in 1967, but don't worry. It's kept up with the times thanks to extensive renovations in 2016. The resort has racked up some impressive accolades, including being named the second-best resort in the Bahamas by Condé Nast Traveler in 2019, and snagging the title of Best All-Inclusive Resort in Caribbean Journal's Bahamas Travel Awards in 2020. Not too shabby, right? But awards aside, what really makes this place special is its commitment to providing a stress-free vacation experience. The all-inclusive concept means you don't have to worry about constantly reaching for your wallet. And the adults-only policy ensures a calm, sophisticated atmosphere that's perfect for those seeking a peaceful getaway. The resort's smaller size compared to some of the mega resorts in the area gives it a more intimate, boutique feel. This translates to more personalized service and a chance to really unwind without feeling lost in the crowd. For checking booking availability and prices at your desired dates, you can use the link in description. I hope this video was helpful. Give a thumbs up. Subscribe for more travel-related content. If you are not ready to book this hotel, you can watch our Best Hotels playlist and choose the best one for you. Thanks for watching.